As we step into the year 2023, the world is on the cusp of a revolution. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic concept, has become an integral part of our lives. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI has been slowly seeping into every aspect of modern society. But what's happening now is not just incremental progress, it's a seismic shift. According to Gartner, AI will be embedded in every industry by 2030, with no exception. The report highlights that this integration won't just stop at convenience and automation. AI will fundamentally change the way businesses operate, making decisions, optimizing processes, and driving innovation. McKinsey predicts that by 2035, AI will have created an additional $13 trillion in global GDP, equivalent to the entire economy of Japan. The rate of adoption is staggering. In just a few short years, we've seen AI-powered chatbots become the norm for customer service, virtual reality experiences transforming entertainment and education, and AI-driven medical diagnosis saving countless lives. The numbers are mind-boggling. In 2022 alone, AI-related investments reached $93 billion, with venture capital pouring into startups working on everything from language processing to computer vision. But here's the shocking part: AI is not just changing industries, it's rewriting the very fabric of our society. In 2023, we're seeing AI-powered decision-making systems being deployed in government agencies, military operations, and even law enforcement. The implications are profound. What does it mean for accountability when algorithms make life-or-death decisions? What kind of world are we creating where machines drive social policy? These questions will haunt us as we hurtle towards a future where humans share power with machines. Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword for decades, but 2023 marks a turning point in its adoption and integration into our daily lives. According to Gartner's report, AI will be embedded in every industry by 2030, with no exception. This notion is further emphasized by McKinsey's prediction that by 2035, AI will have created 140 million new jobs globally while automating an estimated 80 million others. The current pace of progress is unprecedented, with the global AI market projected to reach $190 billion by 2025. Microsoft has already made significant strides in integrating AI into its products, with its Azure platform processing over 2 exaflops, that's equivalent to 20 times the world's fastest supercomputer, every year. Meanwhile, China's State Council has announced a strategic plan to establish itself as a global leader in AI by 2030. This ambitious goal is backed by significant investments from major players like Alibaba and Tencent, who have committed billions of dollars to research and development. Experts predict that AI will transform industries such as healthcare, finance, education, and transportation at an exponential rate. In fact, a recent study by the World Economic Forum found that 85% of executives believe AI has already improved their organization's performance, while 75% see it as crucial for future success. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is increasingly becoming a ubiquitous presence in our lives. But as we move forward, it's essential to separate fact from fiction and understand the implications of this rapid transformation. With AI poised to become an integral part of every industry by 2030, we must address concerns around bias, job displacement, and accountability. As AI continues to permeate every aspect of modern life, we will delve into the benefits and drawbacks of this revolution, examining the facts behind its growth and the challenges that lie ahead. As we delve deeper into the AI revolution, it's essential to examine the key developments and evidence driving its rapid adoption. According to a report by Gartner, AI will be embedded in every industry by 2030, with no exception. This assertion is not mere speculation. Data from various sectors confirms its inevitability. In healthcare, for instance, AI-powered diagnosis tools have shown significant accuracy rates compared to human doctors. A study published in the journal Nature Medicine found that an AI-driven algorithm accurately diagnosed breast cancer with a 96% success rate. Similarly, in finance, AI-powered trading platforms have outperformed human traders by as much as 70%. These results are not isolated incidents, rather, they represent a broader trend. The automotive industry is another sector where AI has made substantial inroads. Autonomous vehicles, equipped with advanced sensor systems and machine learning algorithms, are being tested on public roads worldwide. In China, Baidu's Apollo project has successfully deployed self-driving taxis in several cities, while in the US, Waymo has been conducting autonomous driving tests for years. Moreover, the integration of AI into consumer electronics is becoming increasingly prevalent. Virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant have become ubiquitous, while social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter use AI-powered algorithms to personalize user experiences. Even in education, AI-driven adaptive learning systems are being implemented to improve student outcomes. These developments demonstrate that AI's impact extends far beyond the realm of science fiction. As we approach 2030, it's clear that AI will continue to permeate every aspect of our lives, transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we work and interact with one another. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, it's becoming increasingly clear that its impact will be felt far beyond just innovation and technological advancements. The integration of AI is expected to transform industries, economies, and societies in profound ways. According to a report by Gartner, 80% of companies will have implemented AI solutions by 2025, with AI-driven decision-making becoming the norm. But what does this mean for jobs? A study by McKinsey predicts that up to 30% of tasks performed by humans could be automated by 2030. This raises important questions about the future of work and the potential consequences for employment rates and social welfare systems. With the rise of automation, there's a growing need for workers to develop skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving. Another critical aspect of AI adoption is its influence on data security and privacy. As more industries embed AI in their operations, they're also creating vast amounts of sensitive information. This has significant implications for data protection laws and regulations. In the United States alone, there's a growing concern about the need for stronger data governance frameworks to safeguard against potential breaches. Furthermore, AI is poised to revolutionize healthcare through personalized medicine and precision diagnosis. However, this also raises concerns about unequal access to these new technologies and the potential exacerbation of existing health disparities. For instance, studies have shown that AI-powered diagnostic tools may perform better on predominantly white patient populations, highlighting the need for more diverse data sets. As governments, corporations, and individuals navigate the complexities of AI adoption, they must prioritize transparency, accountability, and social responsibility. By doing so, we can mitigate the risks associated with AI and maximize its potential to drive positive change in our world. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's becoming increasingly clear that 2023 marks a significant turning point in its adoption and integration into our daily lives. A report by Gartner highlights that AI will be embedded in every industry by 2030, leaving no room for exception. This prediction is not just based on theoretical models, it's backed by concrete data from various sectors. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are already being used to analyze medical images and identify diseases at an early stage. For instance, a study published in the journal Nature showed that an AI algorithm was able to detect breast cancer from mammography images with 97% accuracy. Similarly, in finance, AI-driven chatbots are revolutionizing customer service by providing personalized support to millions of users. But what's truly remarkable is the pace at which AI is transforming industries that were previously considered resistant to its influence. In transportation, self-driving cars are being tested on public roads, with companies like Waymo and Tesla leading the charge. According to a report by McKinsey, AI has the potential to improve safety in the automotive sector by up to 90%. Similarly, in education, AI-powered adaptive learning platforms are being used to personalize learning experiences for millions of students. The question remains, what's driving this exponential growth? According to experts, it's the convergence of several factors: advancements in machine learning, availability of data, and increased investment in AI research. As we look ahead to 2023 and beyond, one thing is certain: AI will continue to shape our world in unprecedented ways. The next decade promises to be a transformative period for humanity, marked by both excitement and trepidation. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in human history, it's essential to separate fact from fiction surrounding the AI revolution. By now, it's clear that artificial intelligence has transcended its role as a novelty and is now an integral part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized product recommendations,